Do you remove renovation debris?
Yes, we remove light renovation debris as part of our after builders cleaning service. This includes dust piles and plaster flakes, leftover packaging materials, plastic wrap, foam blocks and cardboard inserts, tape, sticker residue and surface adhesives, sawdust or grout clumps. However, we do not remove large or heavy construction waste, such as timber offcuts, bricks, tiles or sheetrock, demolition waste or hazardous materials, full skip loads or contractor rubbish piles. For heavier removal needs, we are happy to recommend a reliable rubbish removal or skip bin service in your area. We often work alongside these providers to coordinate a smooth same-day cleanup. For full results, we suggest having any heavy rubbish removed before you're clean so we can access all surfaces and give you a pristine, polished finish.